Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss about C++ tokens. A token is referred to the smallest individual units in a program. It acts as a building block of a program. Without this token, we can't construct a C++ program. Basically, the token has been divided into 6 types. They are keyword, constants, string, special symbols, character set, and operators. Let's move on to keyword. Keyword are the collection of reserved words and it is a predefined identifier. Totally, there are 95 reserved words are available in C++ language. Some of the keywords are given here. They are float, double, continue, break, go to, register, static, and so on. Character set. C++ consists of three main elements. They are letters, digit, special symbols. Letters. The letters are the alphabets, it ranging from capital A to Z and small a to Z. Since C++ language is a case-sensitive language, both uppercase and lowercase character, it convey different meaning. Digits. All the digits from 0 to 9 are the valid C++ digits. Special symbols. There are various special symbols are available in this language like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, open bracket, close brackets and many more are available. Let's move on to constant. Constant. It is the value which does not change during the execution of the program. It can be of any of the basic data type. The constant is also called as a literal. There is no much difference between C constant and C++ constant. More or less both are same. The syntax is const data type constant name equal to initial value. Const where const is the keyword, we should not change it. Int is the data type, we can specify any data type as float, double. The next constant name, it is the var and initial value is 5. We can give any value as we like. This diagram clearly explains about the types of the constant. The constant has been divided into two types. They are numeric constant and character constant. The numeric constant is again divided into two types, integer constant and real. The character constant has been divided into two types, single character constant and single constant, string constant. The example for each and every constant has been specified in this diagram. The next, we can see about identifier. The identifier is used to identify the variable, function, class or any other user defined items. Basically, the identifier starts with the capital letter A to Z or small a to Z or even with the underscore or even with the digit ranging from 0 to 9. It doesn't allow any punctuation character like at dollar symbol. Strings. Strings are used for storing the text. It contains a collection of characters surrounded by the double quotes. Simply, we can say it is a collection of character. The syntax was string name equal to text. Example, string greeting equal to hello BSc. Where string is the keyword, we should not change it. Greeting is the name of the string. Hello BSc is the text. It must be given within the double quotes. A clear example has been given in this sample program. Special symbols. C++ allow us to manipulate or perform various data operations in the programming concept. There are various characters are available in C++. They are double slash, brackets, parentheses, quotations, semicolons. Operators. What is an operator? The operator helps us to perform the various operations in C++. Some of the operators are arithmetic operator, relational operator, assignment operator, shift or bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary or conditional operator, and unary operator. This chart clearly explains about the types of the operator and the operator which is specified there. Coming to the end of the session, we can discuss about the important questions. Some few questions can be expected in 2 marks like identifier, C++ tokens, character set, and string. Some of the questions can be expected in 5 marks, that is give a detailed note on C++ tokens and briefly explain about C++ data types. Thank you students. Thank you for watching.